I can't hold it, guys. This is too much for me.
I up the above, God bless, love. I up the above, peace, love. Yes. Peace, respect. Yes. It's gonna be crazy. Hey, be careful enough.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Now, it's your boy Kimi here representing. Welcome to the Data City Next Gen, where we are the next generation of dancer. Now, I'm from Jamaica, and I love to spread my wings. I love to react to different music. I'm a Vendetta fan, but take a walk with me. We have to take a trip from here to go abroad. Now, right now, we are going to react to Sara. I think she can sing very well. So, take your time with me. I'm going to react to her performance right now because I literally love people who sings fantastic music. Music is a joy to my soul, guys. That is the reason why I'm doing this reaction right now. So bear with me for once and off your heart as well. So hit the like button, hit the subscribe button if you're new to this content, and also share the content to if you have a friend or a family or someone who are really close to you. Then do the necessary and share the content to them for me, please. Now, guys, don't forget, do you see that little watermark on the screen up there? That's my Instagram. Go over Instagram right now, search for official Keem, follow me, and be a part of my Instagram membership, likewise this YouTube channel. So without further ado, let us jump into the reaction. Data City Next Gen, guys. Okay, guys, I'm gonna go into the reaction right now, and she's 13 years of age. So let's see if she's that talented for a 13-year-old. So let's go. Okay, starting. Wow. Wow, she's dope, guys. She's dope. You see this girl right here? She's gifted. Just to sit and listen to her voice, she's gonna create history tonight. Let's see if she's gonna create that history for my heart. Wow, I gotta say, she's magnificent so far. She's really a magnificent person so far with her voice. Magnificent voice as well. What a relief, guys, what a relief. Wow. Wow, she's great. She's great. Bombat! Whoa, she's gorgeous, guys. She also give my heart a skip beat right now. My heart skip like 2 beats a while ago. I can't hold it, guys. This is too much for me. I can't handle so much notes on my heart right now. I asked for it and I get it. She got talent. Marvelous. Spectacular. Phenomenal voice, girl. I love this. I love this. I absolutely love this. If I'm feeling down and I should take up my phone and to give a listen here to somebody who can relieve my stress, then she's gonna be the perfect match for me. Amazing voice, girl. Amazing. I love it. I love it, guys. I love it so much. I love it. She's also cute. She's also cute. Yes. Yes, girl. Yes. Yes, baby girl. Yes. Amazing. Amazing. She's darn amazing. Yeah. Thanks for watching, guys. It's your boy Keem. Subscribe for more. Hit the notification bell if you subscribe to get more of my reactions, both from Jamaica and abroad. And I'm out of here.